Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about writing evergreen content. So what is evergreen content? It is optimized content that will stay relevant and fresh for a large amount of time. Evergreen content keeps its relevance and can continue to drive traffic long after it is originally published. Types of evergreen content can include how-to content, product or service reviews, lists, recipes, and more. The two main benefits of creating evergreen content are that it can continuously drive traffic to your website, and it can also improve your search rankings. Here are some examples of evergreen content. How to properly clean a fish tank, best red velvet cake recipe, 10 mistakes to avoid when building a new home. Now these could be article titles, and all of these articles will stay relevant for a large amount of time, if not forever, because of the type of content which is within them. It is important that you don't only publish evergreen content. You want to write timely content on current topics too. You should highlight your evergreen content so that it can be seen in more places. Some good places to put your evergreen content include on your website's sidebar, homepage, social media, and more. One final thing to remember is that every time you update or add to your evergreen content, you should promote it again. This doesn't just include using ads, but it can also include sending it to your email list or publishing it on social media. Here are some examples of what is not evergreen content. News articles, as it is things that are new and only current. Current trends, once again, it's things that are only relevant for a short period of time. And statistics and reports that go outdated quickly. When you think that you are writing evergreen content, you should remember that it is only content that will keep its value for a long period of time, if not forever. So here's a final example. An article about a current trend will not be relevant next year. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.